Draw more attention to your business with affiliate marketing. If you are not familiar with all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, it will be extremely helpful for you if you did some research. While this can be a very lucrative opportunity, there are some chances of losing more than you gain. Being aware of the entire process can only be a good thing for you. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides, and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. An important part of affiliate marketing is choosing a quality product to market. Any recommendation that you make, online or offline, is a reflection on your character. If you're recommending shoddy products or shady services, your site visitors are going to assume you're just another con artist and ignore future marketing attempts. There is no doubt that successful affiliate marketing does take a lot of consistent effort. Start by finding a niche, a topic, that is interesting to you. This way you will enjoy writing the content and building the niche website. Then find services and products that you can promote on your site. Then you can successfully market for an affiliate, and make some extra cash while doing so. When selecting your channels and establishing affiliates, try different types to see which are the most effective. When you compare the results coming from different channels, you will start to see what types of channels bring you the most business, and which ones are just mediocre. You want to retain the ones who are making the most money for you. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Know the audience that you are trying to entice. Take into consideration why they are coming to your site and what they are interested in. Make sure that the affiliate products that your site is offering to them provide a solution to your visitors' problems. Keep with the theme of your site. As the beginning of the video stated, it is important that you do your research on affiliate marketing. Make sure that you fully understand every aspect of it before you attempt to make any investments into anything. If you have any doubts about anything, then it is best that you not participate. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.